Morning, guys. Today I got to build a hay feeder for the buck house that we put up, and so I want to get that done, and it's going to get hot today. What's the temperature supposed to be today? 97. 97 today, and the humidity is just terrible. So I'm trying to get this done first thing this morning. I'm going to build this, and I'm going to build a trough for grain and stuff like that. Not necessarily grain, because you don't give too much grain to bucks, but for pellets. So I got to cut this down a little bit and get it to the size I want. What I'm doing here is I'm cutting 3/4 of an inch off of this 1.5 inches, notching it down, and I did this in other videos, and that way these 2x4s will lap over each other and make a strong lap joint. Now, you don't have to do it this way. If you want to just butt them up here, put a piece of metal on it or something to hold it together, whatever it takes to hold it together. But I like making lap joints. It's a little time consuming doing it the way I'm getting ready to do it because I don't have my jig set up, but I only have 8 of these to do, and it shouldn't take too long. Okay, I gotta figure out my angle here. So. Put a couple temporaries in that. Okay. Now let's load everything. So what I'll do is just put a couple more pieces down there, and I got to use that plywood to fill in the back here, you know. So I got to put a couple pieces there, from here to there, and from here to there, and from here to there. So I got to cut 3 of them. You want to come in and help me for a second?
What angle do you want it at?
That's probably as far as it goes right there. Yeah. Put me at 2x4 or 4x, you know, 1x6, 1x4. On the front of it, I'll be able to do this to that. Okay guys, that's it for today. We got the hay feeder in. We also got the pellet feeder. So we're in good shape. We're ready to go for the bucks. Later on I may put wire up here to make sure that mountain lion or something don't come through the this opening here, the hatch. Other than that, we're finished up. Thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate it. Have a great day, and we'll catch you later.